whakarope. Kinanga tanga katoa. Aki, 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 amini. Glory and glory to the God, the Father, peace on the earth, God will, to all mankind, forever and ever. Amen. I came, Karoria Mori, Karoria Mori, Karoria Mori, Tinakoe, Tinakatua, Tinokatua to all. I came, Karoria Mori, Karoria Mori, Karoria Mori. Kia ora, namaste, hello. Ko Sagrika Sharma Toku Ingwa. Hey YouTuber Ahu. No Otarua Ahu. No India Ahu. He piki atu ti kani kani. Tomi mi mahi toe. Tonu ko miti pakoranga kiti tori. No hiria tina kato katua. Kia ora means hello. Kia ora means hello. Kite pai koe. Kite pai koe means how are you? Kite pai hoe means I am fine, very well, thank you. I am fine, very well, thank you. It's time to learn Tirio Mori today. It's time to learn Tirio Mori today. Let's begin our lesson. Kia ora means hello, right? Kia ora tato means hello to everyone. Kia ora rahi hua. Hello to friends. As a formally we say friends. Tina koe. Formal greeting to one person. Tina kotua. Formal greeting to two people. Morina. Good morning. Ate Marie. Good afternoon. Po Marie. Good evening or a good night. Hi Mai. Welcome. No Mai. Welcome. Welcome. Astra Shakti New Zealand channel. It's all about New Zealand culture, language, values and beliefs. Let's begin with simple song. Song in Māori is called Vaita and a dance is called Kani Kani. So let's do it. I'll first teach you the words, then I will do the words and actions together. Titira mai na iwi. Titira mai na iwi, tato tato e. Titira mai na iwi, tato tato e. Faita mana tanga, faita mana tanga, mite aroha ina iwi. Kea kota pata, kea kota pata. Kia kota pahra, tato tato e. Let's begin our actions. Really simple 4 actions. First one is Titiro mai na iwi, Titiro mai na iwi, tato tato e. So you first do the right hand down, the left hand up. So you say Titiro mai na iwi. Titiro mai na iwi. Then tato tato. Left hand here, right hand on top. You take it away. Tato tato e. Titiro mai na iwi. Titiro mai na iwi. Tato tato e. Vaita mana tatanga is like this. Vaita mana tatanga. You put your one left hand on your ear. Right hand like this. Vaitamana tanga. Then mite oha. You repeat the same way but opposite side. Right hand you put one hand and goes mite aroha, mia then tato tato again. Tato tato way. There's an action song, this one, on the YouTube as well, done by some schoolgirls. You can watch that as well. And you can watch my video once it be uploaded as well. Kakitiano, Apopo.